Ka bet den klam ka bashi sian shisnam jong ka sen raj mukla bat ka bakat du e ban pendap na barok ki raj hari lum jain tia kala poino asyak bakut hak arpun rio trik nailar hapung aitnar hapren ka jing ipu ipieng UMP ka Rajya Sabha u James PK Sangma ulawan bansakhi kum ukongsan hak jingdan lang umintri sorkar bat MLA kathan ma wailat mikishla ki nongelam sen raj ba pher talor ki hajar ngot ki ba u James PK Sangma haka jingkran ula ai ka jingkit bokit wiangi ki khun ki hajar ka sen raj mukha bakin yo ya kamet ka bakot bakya ka rep ka riang ka basay so bat ka kamay ka ji ka badap babiang haka ni kasngi UMP ulapun benaru ban ai jingarap kumpa arpaulak tingka syaka sen raj mukha na kabenta ban pen baha pen miat bat pen phu pen phieng ki saudong sauken ka ajnar menta usnam ladon haduk khat south ligirot ki balawan ra sya ka biar ringkat ka jingshat jingkemen bat kerisa ke kinhoi bat hadien beladap ban penshat ikiran la berat pat eki kum kadak ka jingpen kut ya kalet niam be den klam
Also the religious what locally called Bohemian. That is on this word, they shaping or structuring action.
Welcome our chief guest, our honorable MP, Member of Parliament from Rajya Sabha. You are most welcome, sir, to Mukla. You are a lifesaver to me because we were so confused, as you know that our bed income falls during this session. So that's why we were so confused now whom to call. But really, like I said, you are a lifesaver, and I must thank you on behalf of the Senrai Mukla just by the phone call. And we didn't met you personally, but you have agreed to come. So sir, on behalf of Senrai Mukla and the whole of Mukla village, we welcome you and at the same time thank you for being here today. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Mukla for his valuable time. And also as the cabinet minister, I've tried my best, sir. Even now we have really we have done a lot, and we thank the government of Meghalaya under the leadership of our honorable chief minister and the deputy chief minister Masnya Valankar. Still, sir, there are a lot of things to do. So, sir, ask your younger brother, sir, and also ask the advisor, as a person, as a resident of this village, sir. So, will humbly, sir, will request you, if possible, to support us in order so we can really beautify this area. And our focus in the coming days is not only on the spiritual or religious. We want to project it as a tourism, as a cultural tourism as well. So sir, for this, we're really looking forward to you, for your generous support, sir. So with this few words, ini kita yang bekerja. Saya cakap, baik ni kelab bersama dengan ini orang. Kumlai cakap.
First of all, I'd like to extend my warmest wishes to all of you, especially the villagers of Mukla and the neighboring areas on the festival of Vaidan Kha. I am indeed very, very honored and I feel so happy to be here. Mawailar was mentioning about the doubt they had about getting a guest for this program. But let me tell you that I would have, in any case, would have come here to witness this auspicious and cultural event, even without an invitation. So I'm indeed very thankful to you and to the Senrai Mukla for this honor of being here for this program, to be witnessing this wonderful cultural and auspicious event. I would like to congratulate the Senrai Mukla who have been organizing the Vaidan Kha festival for the past 75 years. And this is from 1950, if I'm not wrong. And this is really a testimony to the kind of strong leadership that has been there in the Senrai, and all the former leaders who have made sure that our tradition and our culture stays alive. And it doesn't just stay alive, but becomes more and more and more vibrant. I'm really happy to see the kind of infrastructure that has been developed in order to promote this event so that more and more people can participate in it. And to come to the memorandum which has been submitted today by the Office of the Senrai, I would like to very, very happily say this, that having been elected as a representative to the upper house from the state of Meghalaya, it is indeed a great privilege for me to be given this memorandum, and I assure the members region that this kind of culture must be preserved. This is our identity, these are our roots, and we must make sure that it's not just our responsibility as a youth, but it is to carry on this tradition, but also to make sure that this tradition lives on in the future generations as well. So the youth have a very, very big responsibility to carry that on their shoulders. So once again, congratulations, happy Vedantram to everyone present here, and thank you to Vailan, our Honorable Minister, for having given me this opportunity, this honor of being present here today for this festival. Once again, thank you so much. Kublai Shubha, Bella.
And prosperity. The festival is celebrated for 4 days. And at the same time, there are group of people going across life. In the afternoon, all the